Hi, Theo here, John T. Francis from Theo's Speed Shop. We're with Matt from Michigan. He just won the Best in Show for the Hot Rod Asylum. It's the long haul. This is the last event. Matt, can you tell us about your hot rod?
It's a 41 Willys coupe, built 1968 by Charles Duffield, Ravenna, Ohio. Got a big block with a clutch turbo. It's basically an unrestored Survivor.
You said it's been down the track and testing in 1968?
Between 68 and 72.
Okay.
He ran it a few times, testing, never competed it. You know, it's just...
this paint's all original as you see it.
Yep. Paint by Billy Harper, 1968. The old lacquer paint job. It's as is.
What do you do with the car? I know you got quite a collection, so I know it's...
Yeah, I just, it's basically just... I preserve it, maintain it. We don't race it. It's just a Survivor old hot rod that we take to shows. And
well, I know we certainly enjoyed seeing it coming out here, Matt.
Right on.
Appreciate your time.
Yeah, appreciate it.